I'm gonna take you through some planks on the ball. Just 1 minute, let's get going. So I'm gonna start off with a high plank. Notice my arms are on the outside of the ball. You don't want them on top. Head, neck, shoulders, hips and feet in line, making sure that you're not arching through the back. And then all we're gonna do is push on the ball and release. Push on the ball and release. So you're adding resistance for the shoulders and the core. Release and push and release. You wanna lock the chest muscles. Release, we're gonna do one more. You can see I'm shaking it. And then you're gonna take the toe side, reach and up. Try not to put the foot down and up. Squeeze, keep that body nice and tight. Don't forget to breathe. Look at my arms, they're going crazy. We got a few more seconds to go. Press and reach. Press, give me 2 more. Tight core, reach. Last one, hold it there. Just give me a little roly, 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 roly. Roly, 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 roly. And that's 1 minute. High planks, resist a ball. Until next time.